Hi and hello everyone. In this video we'll be just discussing generics, especially the list. We have not been able to create list of floats in Python earlier version. With generics, we have the issue of parameterization due to their storage structure, which is a container. And because of this, we have not been able to use list, float, or list, float. We were getting errors. So in order to solve this, or we required the use of typing module to actually achieve this. But with Python 3.9, we have been able to create list. I'll show you how. So let's try this first for Python 3.9. Okay. 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 Now let's create a list. Okay. C equals to list and float. Okay, we have created this in Python 3.9 environment. Let's create another list. Actually, we print this, and let's create another list that is of scores. List float equals to let's create a list of 1.0 comma 2.3 comma 3.6. Okay, and let's print it. When we print it in Python 3.9, it gives an error. Typing.list and the build list, and where is the typing.list? Okay, we actually ran the wrong file. We had to use generics1.py. Now see, it printed list float and it printed scores. Okay, and these are both list. But let's try to do this in Python 3.8 environment. So let's again check version. This is 3.8.6, and now we run the same Python one file and see. Okay, so let's do this again, and now see, the list is not subscriptable. The type object is not subscriptable. It wasn't able to create the list, and this is again because of the parameterization or use of generics, and we could not achieve this in earlier versions of Python. In Python 3.8, if we wanted to do create a list, we could do this just by using the function, but again we could not do this do it like this. So let's do this and try how it could be done in Python 3.8. List. You can see here we can create an iterable list that requires a parameter of iterable, something that could iterate. We cannot just write down 1.2 and create a list and just cannot print it. Let's try. See here, it did not create that. Float object is not iterable. So this is how. This is the error it gave. So I hope now you have an idea that with Python 3.9 we can create a list of floats, and this can achieve very quickly and very easily just by using the simple syntax earlier, which wasn't available because of the generics or parameterization of the storage structure. I hope you enjoyed it. May you have any queries, feel free to get in touch, and I'm really excited to help you out. Thank you.